Are you looking for an easy way to organize your home? These multi-purpose dual-access storage bins help you stay organized in style. Easy to store and use, these dual-access bins make your organizing simple and easy, and made of 400 denier polyester fabric material. These can hold up to 44 pounds weight. The 2.5 mm paper board keeps the bins sturdy. Plus, the solid board's construction keeps the lid intact at all times. These storage bins provide additional style for your home whilst concealing clutter. And also, the perfect size of this organizer box makes it ideal for storing stuff such as bed sheets, towels, blankets, books, magazines, toys, and other little things to keep your home perfectly organized. Buy now at OrganizeMeUSA.com.